Welcome to Universe Beyond. I am the guide for this infinite journey. Tonight, we delve into the unseen stories woven into the very fabric of time and space. A star dies in a violent explosion of fire and light. Most of its body is scattered into the empty void. But the heart of the star remains. It collapses under its own weight until it becomes something impossible. We call it a neutron star. It is a sphere only 20 kilometers wide. Yet it weighs more than our entire sun. Can you imagine a mountain compressed into a single grain of sand? The gravity on the surface is 1 trillion times stronger than Earth. If you dropped a small stone, it would hit the ground with the force of a nuclear bomb. Space and time are warped into a tight knot around this object. The light itself is bent into a circle. The star spins hundreds of times every single second. It is a lighthouse of the deep cosmos. It sends beams of radiation across the darkness like a ticking clock. We call these pulses the heartbeats of the universe. Are we listening to the machinery of the heavens? Let us travel beneath the surface of this metal world. The crust is 1 billion times harder than steel. It is made of a strange lattice of nuclei. As we go deeper, the pressure becomes absolute. The atoms themselves are crushed out of existence. Electrons are forced into protons to create a sea of pure neutrons. This is the densest matter in the universe. It is a state of being that defies every rule we know. It is a liquid made of the foundations of reality. Deep in the core, the mystery grows even darker. Scientists believe the neutrons might melt into a soup of quarks. This is the matter that existed in the first microsecond of the Big Bang. The star is a time machine holding a piece of the beginning. The physical laws of our world are discarded here. Superfluidity allows matter to flow with zero friction. Superconductivity creates magnetic fields that could rip the atoms from your body. It is a place of beautiful and terrifying perfection. Is the core of the star a gateway to a different kind of physics? The star is also a master of sound. The crust can crack under the intense gravity. These are starquakes. They release more energy in a millisecond than the sun produces in a century. The star rings like a giant bell made of crystal and lead. The vibrations travel through the liquid interior at incredible speeds. We are beginning to hear these songs through our gravitational wave detectors. It is a low and haunting hum that vibrates through the fabric of space. The universe is talking to us through the language of gravity. A neutron star is a survivor of a cosmic catastrophe. It is a tomb for a sun that once burned bright. But it is also a factory for the heavy elements of our world. When two of these giants collide, they create gold and platinum. The ring on your finger was likely born in the heart of such a storm. We are the children of the most violent events in the cosmos. The density of the star is the density of our own history. How much power is hidden in the silence of these dead hearts? The neutron star will spin for billions of years. It will slowly lose its energy to the cold vacuum. It will eventually become a black dwarf or collapse into a black hole. But while it shines, it is a monument to the power of nature. It proves that the small can be more powerful than the large. It proves that the darkness can hold a brilliant and concentrated light. We look at these stars and feel the fragility of our own atoms. We are soft creatures living in a world of gentle gravity. The neutron star is a reminder of the true scale of the furnace. The void is filled with these spinning ghosts. They are the guardians of the secrets of matter. They watch the galaxies drift and the stars fade. They are the anchors of the cosmic web. Our journey into the high density of the stars is ending. The light of the pulsar is moving away from our sensors. The heartbeat is fading into the static. The star remains. The silence returns. Thank you for watching Universe Beyond. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.